Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you start to finish how to re-key a Smartkey lock. If you're not familiar with Smartkeys, those are sold at most big box stores. I think the technology was invented by Kwikset, but basically you can install a new lock like we did on our front door, and instead of going to a locksmith to get a key or to have it rekeyed, there's a little tool that can rekey itself in just a few seconds. And today I'm going to show you start to finish how to do that. It's not a big deal, but it's pretty amazing technology. So let's go ahead and show you. You only really need three things to rekey this lock. You need the Smartkey that comes with the lock. That's this little curvy piece of brass looking metal with a real thin edge on the tip there. You need the keys that fit the lock currently. That's these. Since it's a brand new lock, these are brand new keys. So you need the Smartkey, the existing keys that turn the lock, and then you're going to need the new key that you want to rekey it to. In that case, it's our existing house key on the old Jeep keychains. So three things: the current keys, the Smartkey, and the key that you want to fit that lock. Pretty simple. Okay, here's the new touchpad lock we installed. It's also keyed here. So we want this new lock to be what our old house key was, to spare the expense of rekeying this professionally. Now the thing that sets it off, that you know it is a Smartkey, is this little tiny slit next to the actual keyhole. So if I go down there and peek, you see that right next to the keyhole? That is where your Smartkey tool is going to go. But 3 steps and then a test will get this thing done. The first step is to insert the current key. And in our case, that's the store-bought one. It came with this. That's the current key. Put that in. Let me hold the door because it's going to swing on us. And we're going to turn it 90 degrees so it's horizontal. Step 1, turn the current key, or the key that came with the lock, in our case, 90 degrees horizontal. Now I'm going to try to be quiet on this next one. The next one is to put the Smartkey tool fully and firmly into that little slit we talked about. So this tool is going to go in there, and I'm going to shut up for a second, see if we hear a click. Okay, I didn't hear a click. We'll see if that goes. And then we'll pull the Smartkey tool out. Don't turn the key. Pull it straight out like this while it's still horizontal. Okay. And then the new key that we want this lock to be set is on our old Jeep keychain. We're going to put that in there. Okay, the new key that we want the lock to is in there horizontally now. Make sure it's fully in there. And now we're going to turn it upright again. So I heard a little click that time. So now it's straight up and down. Do not remove the key. Okay, that should be all we needed to do. And now to test that the key works, we are going to turn it again 90 degrees to the right, horizontal. And I'm going to try to pull the key out. If I pull the key out and it comes out, it didn't work, but I can't get the key out. So if the key does not remove, you have successfully rekeyed your lock. So let's go back here, any further steps. Take this out. Look at that. Wow. So let's watch the deadbolt here. Turn it to the clockwise. There you go, folks. 3 easy steps. And we've just rekeyed this lock from the original key that came with to the existing key, so all our other keychains work. That's how simple it is. I hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.